Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to make Grok AI remember your conversations. Have you ever found yourself wishing that Grok AI could be a bit more personalized to your unique preferences and style? Well, today we're going to dive into a solution for that exact desire. By enabling conversation-based personalization, you can make Grok AI remember your previous interactions, allowing it to provide responses that are more in tune with your personal taste and the context you frequently engage with. This means that over time, the answers you receive will not only become more relevant, but also more consistently aligned with how you like to communicate. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how to activate this useful feature. First, you'll want to open up Grok and direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Then proceed to select the Settings option. If by chance you don't immediately see the settings, try expanding the sidebar or switching to a larger window to ensure all menu items are easily visible. Once you're inside the settings panel, look for the section labeled Data Control. This area acts as the hub for managing how your information is stored and utilized to enhance your experience, separate from what you see in your visible chat history. Think of it as your personal privacy and customization center. In this section, you'll need to find the option that reads, Personalize Grok with your conversation history. When you locate it, simply toggle it on. You might encounter a brief explanation or confirmation prompt at this stage, so take a moment to read through it before confirming your choice. Once you've enabled the switch, you're all set. From now on, Grok will be able to use the conversations you have to fine-tune its replies. Over time, you'll likely notice that Grok not only remembers recurring contexts, but also starts to mirror your tone more closely. This reduces the need for you to repeat yourself during everyday tasks, making your interactions smoother and more efficient. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind as you use this feature. If you see that the option is grayed out, it could mean you're on a managed or work account where an admin controls the data settings. In such cases, you'll want to check your organization's policy. Also, if you utilize Grok on multiple devices, make sure to open the settings on each one to ensure the toggle is set to your preference. And regardless of whether you choose to personalize your experience or not, it's wise to avoid sharing sensitive personal, financial, or login information in your chats. If you ever decide you want to change your settings, you can simply go back to the Data Control section and switch the toggle off. You can pause personalization for a while or keep it off altogether, and your core chat experience will still function perfectly. Should you choose to turn it back on later, Grok will once again utilize your newer conversations to provide contextually relevant interactions. So there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can open settings from your profile icon, navigate to Data Control, and enable personalized Grok with your conversation history. With this single modification, your future chats can become more fluid and consistent, making your experience with Grok AI feel more tailored and efficient. And that wraps it up. If how to make Grok AI remember your conversations feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online because plenty more guides are on the way.